In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a folder, aka an album, for your iPhone photos. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Albums are obviously a great way to organize different photos and videos, whether it's for a specific event or just to clean up your library. But to get started, go ahead and open up your Photos app, and in the bottom left, you're going to want to select this little Collections tab right here to go to an option that looks something like this. From here, what you're going to want to do is scroll down till you see the little Albums section, open that up, and then scroll all the way down to see all of your current albums. From here, simply go ahead and select the plus icon up in the top right. And here you're going to see two options, either new album or new folder. Let's go ahead and create a new album first. So go ahead and create a new album. Add your photos by selecting add photos and choose whatever ones you like. Like for example, I could choose these ones right here. And we'll say this is from Halloween, right? Hit check, name it Halloween 2025, and then hit create. And then you're going to see when you open up that album, it's going to have all of those within there. If you want to make a folder to store multiple of those albums together, hit that plus icon again, select new folder, hit add albums, and you can choose albums to add in here. Boom, just like so, hit create, and that's going to be a new folder. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.